Stop by and take a look at the 2026 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.